How to use two Instagram accounts in one phone. Well, it is definitely possible to use two Instagram accounts in one phone, or even two or more, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Then simply open the Instagram app. Here you can currently see I'm logged into one of my account. So simply come to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here, right? So once you basically come to the profile icon, if you want to add two accounts, just tap on your username from the top. Here you can see I've added two more accounts in this case, but if I want to add another one more, I can simply tap on add Instagram account, log into existing account, then switch account, then I can add another account if I want to. So once you've done that, you'll be able to switch between accounts very easily by simply double tapping on the profile icon in order to basically add more accounts. So this way you will be able to use two Instagram accounts in one phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.